Hello guys, so we are on Rutland, so I'm with Piotr today. We try to catch some zander. It's basically middle of December, really cold. The morning was really nice, but then the wind picked up, so fish weren't really active. We tried to cast in the morning, but then we just tried to vertical because we didn't have any action. So have a look what we got that day. Here he comes. I've caught the first fish from 23 meters, I think, so little zander around 40 centimeters. Quick release and off we go.
Na głęboko. Także wertykalek. I dalej może się
Just hook up another fish from 23 meters. They are really tricky. They basically been 20 centimeters above the ground. If you put the jig head at the bottom, they automatically scares them off. Tricky little zanders. So second fish is much bigger than the first one, around 55 centimeters, so quick unhook and photo session release. So this time it's a small one. I put the smaller lure just to check how active they are, and automatically I caught the little ones, so then later on I back to the bigger lure.
Berckleyka. Dodałem mu boostera, żeby trochę pośmierdział. To jest opcja. No gdzieś tam pod tymi drzewami albo w tamtym tam już nie ma. Dużo jest po tej stronie, jest, ale jest prawie. Trzeba być na wiatr i nie wracać. Chyba? Nie wiem. Raczej tak.
And finally my partner in crime got the first fish. It's a nice fight for him, so have a look. So another fish for me. Like I said, I backed bigger lure, constantly using the Zander Pro Slick Shot, I think 12 centimeters, so give me good result that day. and suddenly it was quiet, and two F35 train they're flying under the radar range, so have a look them on the zoom, you can see a bit. And that was the most strongest strike that day, so, and I think the biggest fish, so have a look.
Jest na sam koniec.
And the last fish of the session for Piotr this time, with zander.
Ładny. O, 50 parę. 50. Dlatego sobie cały dzień na więcej brać. Do wody. Piękna ryba. No 55, no. Brawo. Jest. Złapał. Sporo, nie?
So just to summarize the day, I've got a lot of strike, but I caught just 8 fish, Piotr caught 2. Most of my time I do vertical using Fox Rage slick shot lures. I got also 2 fish from cast, so nice good day.
Także dzięki, do zobaczenia. Piotr, naprawdę miło było się z tobą zobaczyć, kurde, i połowić. Dzięki również. Wesołych świąt, to jest pewnie moje ostatnie wędkowanie. A, i muszę się pochwalić, Piotr mi zrobił fajny prezent. Takie to pudełko dostałem, zobaczymy to później. Nara!